the Woozik Rockit Pro. Hello everyone, welcome to Brian Unboxed. This is the Woozik Rockit Pro Bluetooth speaker boombox. This speaker is packed with a lot of features and can be used indoors or outdoors. I will go over specs, features, provide audio samples, and give my thoughts. I have included the link in the description below for the product. If you are new to my channel or have been here before, thanks for taking the time to watch. Also, don't forget to like, subscribe, and enable notifications so you don't miss out on future videos. So let's take a look. Inside it comes with the user guide, 3.5mm audio cable, and micro USB cord for charging. And it also comes with a microphone that can be used for karaoke. The speaker features 6 hours of playtime with a 3600 mAh battery. It has 4-inch 19-watt subwoofers, 1/4-inch 2.5-watt tweeters, FM radio, auxiliary, USB, SD card, and microphone, button controls, micro USB charging, and multicolored LED lighting. The speaker is a good size and it feels very durable with a rugged look. It has a metal handle and a hard plastic outer lining for the subwoofers on the end. The middle is also plastic but has a matte finish. In the center of the speaker, you will see the various controls along with the tweeters. This weighs about 6 pounds. And you can see the legs on the bottom that will provide stability when placed on a surface. The front display, you'll find the following controls: the mode button, playback, EQ and RGB light controls, USB, micro SD, aux input, charge port, bass control, the microphone control, volume, and power button. It comes in at about 15 inches long and a little over 6 inches wide. The volume knob is easy to turn, and as mentioned, you have the 2 tweeters on the front. Pressing the mode button will allow you to cycle through FM radio and the various inputs. The radio uses the audio cable for the antenna. You can also toggle the EQ for more bass or less bass. Now I'll provide some audio samples. I'll start off with indoor, then outdoor. I'll dim the lights as well to show the LED on the side. The speaker provides a good amount of bass and has a lot of punch. Mids and highs are pretty clean. One downside is that you will get distortion when the volume level is maxed out. There is no IP rating specified, so I wouldn't get it exposed to the elements. Overall, I do see this as a great speaker. It has its pluses and minuses, but it has a durable design and the sounds will definitely fill up a good amount of space whether you are indoors or outdoors. If you like my video, go ahead and hit that like button, and if you haven't subscribed yet, hit that subscribe button as well. Until next time, this is Brian Unboxed. Take care everyone.